my dear ones, beautiful people that I honor. Welcome you to Less Stress for You, a channel that it is truly dedicated from the bottom of my heart for people like you that are looking for different modalities, natural ways, and holistic ways to just feel more connected, less stressed, more peaceful, and to really be able to create the life that you deserve. So I honor you for being here. For those that are new to this channel, my name is Soraya Mendoza. And I'm happy for you to be here today because today I just want you to know that this is a small, nice, simple practice that I thought about as I realized how beautiful it is to connect with nature. So today we're going to do relaxing with sounds of nature. We'll go through a series of different sounds as I guide you a little bit in each one and allow these sacred sounds to really touch your soul, to really make you feel not only connected but relaxed and uplifted and peaceful. So saying that, I just invite you to perhaps go and find a comfortable area in your backyard or your garden, or if you want to be indoors, just find your favorite place to be. It doesn't matter where you want to be as long as you feel really relaxed. And perhaps you create a little area just for your practice. So you can just be sitting, laying, or whatever your beautiful being allows you to guide you today. So saying that, let us start our practice. Let us start first inhaling nice and easy. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale through the mouth as you do these nice cleansing breaths, these purification breaths that allows us to really clear anything from whatever happened before you came to the practice or anything heavy that you might be holding. Inhale. Exhale out. And a nice last long deep breath. Inhale. And release. Just relaxing your shoulders. Start to bring attention and awareness into your feet. Allowing your feet to be relaxed. Visualize how the soles of your feet start to connect really deeply on Mother Earth. If you're laying down, just feel the energy supporting you from the bottom of the ground up. Start to relax your ankles, your legs, your knees, your thighs. Let go from the hips, the back, lower back, middle back, and upper back. Relax in your shoulders, and in there, let us take another nice deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale out. Really letting go. Relaxing your arms, wrists, hands, fingers. Relaxing your neck. Perhaps not yes, no, yes, no. Whatever feels good in your head and your neck. Really relaxing your whole being. So as we start this beautiful practice, I invite you to really be open with your beautiful heart, with the attitude of gratitude to receive. Receive the gifts of these beautiful natural sounds of creation. Allowing this practice to give you more peace, to give you more lighter in your heart, and to really clear any stagnation or any heaviness or busyness in your mind. So with that, let us start our first beautiful sound. We'll go with the sound of water. So as you listen to the water, reminding yourself that this is the natural sound of water, the element that really relates to clearing, purification, cleansing. So just perhaps in this moment, imagine like a nice creek, nice water creek, where you are there just laying. You see the valley, you see the green of the grass, perhaps trees, whatever it is that you bring into your visualization. feeling the wind caressing your face. You're laying down or sitting by the water. Perhaps you bring your hand into just touching the water as you see it so clear, and start to let the water really give you that clearing in your mind. As we're going through our daily days, we usually just feel very heavy. So let the water just relax you. Enjoy. And as you come back, let us just take a nice deep breath. Inhale, exhale out, and just relax, noticing how nice it feels after coming back from that beautiful creek of water that perhaps wash your beautiful being with the energy of just letting go of anything heavy. So now let us take a moment to realign, recenter. Take another deep breath in, inhale, exhale out. And now we go into the nice sound of beautiful natural sound of birds. So let these birds, just imagine your beautiful and favorite birds, and just know that they talk to you with light codes of energy. So let the birds talk to you and give you the message. Birds always bring that meaning of messengers, new change. So just let that to transform you into the new, as we get into the new beautiful time, as we go and walk in the path of our journey in the future days to come. Let the birds to just be with you and just bring into your visualization whatever feels good for you. Enjoy. Take another nice deep breath in, inhale, and release. Letting go of the beautiful birds that have visited to you today in this nice visualization. And really acknowledge and remember that wherever you go in the outdoors or in nature, Mother Earth always has beautiful gifts to offer you with wisdom. So the birds are beautifully the ones that come, and perhaps in the way they sing to you, they give you that message. We just have to be open to receive it with gratitude and with joy. So as we continue in our path, continue with your eyes closed and in that space of receptivity. Now we go into the beautiful, nice, sacred sounds of, in a different way, but in just that way of bringing you that clarity. It's the rainstorm. It's beautiful rain that really reminds you that Mother Earth washes out any darkness or anything that is not of the goodness of its nature with this storm. And sometimes our life feels like it's a storm with thunderstorm. So when that challenge comes, just really go back into this thought of just knowing that after the storm there's always a blessing. So just enjoy these sounds and let it just bring goodness to your beautiful being. Taking a nice deep breath in, inhale, exhale out, reminding yourself that sure we have challenges and situations before us through our time in this beautiful life, but the goodness or the truth is that we can always transcend and clear anything when we really have the willingness to just be in that space of gratitude. And as we continue in this beautiful sacred sound of rain, now we just kind of come and bring that beautiful, nice sound of the rainforest. Just imagine a beautiful forest with crickets, with the rain washing out. Continue to feel the rain clearing your beautiful mind, bringing you peace, connection, and joy. And just let these beautiful sounds of nature reminding you of the beauty of creation. Enjoy. Taking a nice deep breath in, inhale, exhale out, and just as you visualize that rainforest full of crickets and full of nice creatures of nature, now we just allow ourselves to the last nice sacred sound of the beautiful ocean, the nice ocean. Just bring into your beautiful awareness a sandy beach of your choice. Just visualize the sun, the clouds, and those waves as they come in. They really bring you that peace, and as they go out to inside the ocean, just like bringing everything that doesn't belong to your being. Just enjoy the beautiful scenery as you listen to the sacred sound of the ocean, giving you the peace that we just always long for. Enjoy. Nice. So now let us just continue with your eyes closed. Take a nice deep breath in, inhale, exhale out, and just let go of the beautiful ocean, the rainforest, the beautiful rain in the storm, the water creek, and the campfire, or the beautiful energy of these sacred sounds. And just allow yourself to just take a moment to acknowledge that in any opportunity that you have, you can just close your eyes and bring into your beautiful awareness the beautiful sounds of water, the sounds of birds, the sounds of the ocean, the rainforest, or whatever sacred sound that you would like to connect with the beauty of nature. This is the wonders of creation that we are so very much connected to, and as we allow ourselves to enjoy these sounds, we get used to really just make them part of our being. So saying that, let us just allow ourselves to close our nice little connection wherever you are, whether you're sitting or laying. Bring your palms on your sternum, your beautiful heart center. And as I always like to bring the sound of creation, the sound of the universe, the I am presence, the Om, and the Shanti, the beautiful peace sound of Shanti. Peace for you, peace for others, peace for the whole world at your own pace. Inhaling. Feel the sounds of nature. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Allowing, receiving, sensing and feeling this creation, these nice wonders of life, these sounds of nature that are here for us to remember the beauty of all that is, knowing that we are part of it and that we are one with it. So as we bring this joy, peace, love, harmony to all those that we interact with, we allow ourselves to just bow to our beautiful higher self, really acknowledging the divine light in us as well as the divine light in others. Namaste. So continue with your eyes closed. So allow yourself to take your time and gently, after your beautiful meditation or relaxation, just start to flow your eyes open once more, little by little at your own time, coming back into the space. Wow, how are you? Welcome back, my dear warriors of light. It is always an honor for me to be here sharing little ways to just feel more connected, more uplifted, and more joyful. And sure enough, for me, nature is the healer and the master of healers. So I wanted to just share with you these beautiful sounds, because sometimes we underestimate the power of wonders of creation. So when you go out there, just acknowledge the birds, the crickets, the dragonflies, the rain, the thunderstorm, whatever it is, but it's all sacred and nature. So just allow yourself to use this little guidance for your benefit in whatever way possible, reminding yourself that all is up to me to really create a life that I want. So just I send you in peace, and for those that perhaps haven't subscribed to this channel, just do so and allow yourself to really share with everybody. So everybody at this time, in these times that we're living in, this time of humanity, it's pretty hard for many people to stay connected, and it is easier when we remember as we do these little practices. And the whole intention of my guidance is always to put things out there for you to choose depending on what works for you. So remember, just hear your heart center from within to just do what feels good for you, and do it often. Just comment in this beautiful bottom of this video and ask me questions, ask me concerns, or whatever way I can possibly continue to guide you. Saying that, my beautiful warriors, keep strong, keep uplifted and joyful as we continue our path together. Go in peace. Namaste.